In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and create templates in Gmail using Google Workspace for Business. This incredibly handy feature can help you save time on routine emails and ensure consistency in your communication. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to access the settings in Gmail. Go to your Gmail inbox and find the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you want to select See All Settings. This will take you to a page with various tabs at the top. You'll want to click on the tab labeled Advanced. Once you're in the Advanced tab, you'll see several options. Focus on the Templates section. To enable templates, simply click on Enable next to Templates. Don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on Save Changes. It's crucial to save your changes. Otherwise, this feature won't be activated. Now that templates are enabled, let's create one so you can see just how easy and beneficial it is. Head back to your inbox and then click on the Compose button as if you were about to write a new email. In the message window that opens, draft your template. Start writing it like any regular email. Add your subject line, body text, and any other components you wish your template to contain. Keep in mind, this will be your template's default format, so consider what essential content should be included. Once your draft is ready, look to the bottom right of the email window where you'll find 3 vertical dots. Click on them, and a menu will appear. Hover over Templates in this menu, and you'll see a few options. Hover over Save Draft as Template, and then select Save as New Template. A pop-up window will appear asking you to name your template. Choose a clear, descriptive title that will help you recognize its contents later. After naming your template, click Save. Congratulations! You've just created a reusable template in Gmail. You might wonder how to use this template moving forward. It's simple. Whenever you want to use it, open a new email by clicking Compose. Click the 3 dots at the bottom right again, hover over Templates, and you'll see your saved template listed there. Click it, and your formatted email content will appear in the message window, ready for you to send after making any necessary adjustments. As a quick tip, remember that you can create multiple templates for different needs, whether it's for frequently asked questions, customer follow-up emails, or confirming meeting details. Saving these as templates can streamline your workflow significantly. So go ahead, explore, and make the most of this fantastic feature in Gmail. Happy emailing!